Alright guys, welcome back to the Roshain Reviews channel. I'm here with another night video. This time we're on Kingston Spring Road, just checking out the Christmas decor, checking out the night vibes. So it's a quick video, not too long. So just gonna take a walk down Kingston Spring Road, heading closer to halfway through to the transport center, and just taking a look at the Christmas decor. So this is the Linn Plaza, Kingston Spring Road. We have Rapid True Valley over this side. Again, remember, if you're new, subscribe for more content. Definitely leave your comments so that this video can reach more persons. Like and share as well. And if you want to donate to the channel, that is in the description below. We also recently did a video of Emancipation Park Christmas decor. We did New Kingston Christmas decor as well. So you can also check out those videos on the channel. So Kingston Spring Road nightlife. We have courts across the road over there. So we're now on the Village Plaza. I think this is one of the better, or probably the best looking plaza. I think they made the most effort in terms of their decor. I think I like it. Alright, so that sign says Christmas Santa Village. So we're now at Wendy's. Alright, so Twin Gates Plaza, I don't think they have anything special in terms of decor. It's just very basic. So this is now the Mall Plaza. We're coming from the village to the mall. I think this is very similar to the other side. Alright, so this is now Tropical Plaza. I think I like this tree. So they put some lights in it like fruits. Like this concept. So Tropical Plaza. I think I'm about to end the video here, guys. So definitely subscribe, like, comment, and share the video as well. This is Alpha Tree, Constant Spring Road, just looking at some of the decor at the different plazas. Alright, so see you on that next video. So this is Pavilion Mall.